Hello. Hi, my dear. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine.
How are you feeling now?
Mm, I'm fine today.
Oh, that's good to hear. Did you still taking medicine? No more. Okay. Very good. So, did you do something fun today?
It's okay.
Did you go to school? Nope.
Yes.
Oh, you still have a class.
It's
How
not today. Next week. Next week is holiday. Holiday.
Oh,
It's Friday.
oh,
On
I see.
on the week. On last week.
Oh,
It's
next
the holiday.
next week.
Yeah, I think Saturday. No, Friday is
It's holiday in your
uh
place on Friday or Saturday. It means you have free time. You have free time to rest.
teacher. Is Friday is school year closing ceremony.
Oh, class closing ceremony.
Yes.
Oh, do you have an award?
And Saturday is holiday.
Oh, yay! You have free time to play, to rest. So it's good to hear that you are happy today. Oh, by the way, I have a new friend I would like to introduce to you. Would you like to see her?
Yes.
Okay. Here she here she is.
Is that?
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Elsa. What is your name?
My name is Lam Phulang.
Wow, nice to meet you, Lan Fong. How old are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
Hmm. I'm 9 years old.
Oh, I am 1 year old.
Oh, 1 years
Okay.
old. You
Oh,
are clever. Because one
I'm just
years
kidding.
old, because 1 years old is not talking.
Yes, I'm just kidding. I am 10 years old now, but I'm not schooling. I'm just sleeping all day. Okay, my dear. So, Elsa will listen to our class tonight and she will be the one to ask questions together with you. Okay? So, let's go to our lesson. Oh, by the way, let's have a song first. Let's sing a song first.
Yeah,
Do
you
you
sure?
know? Do you know the song
Yeah.
Day?
I I learned with teacher. Oh, today is all day long, all day long.
Okay. Okay,
It's
this
day
is okay. Let's sing
morning.
this. You can say today is Monday. Okay, let's see.
Today is Tuesday,
Okay,
all
again.
day long, all day long.
Today. Okay, this is how we sing this. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long. All day long.
Yes,
Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Okay, did you get it, my dear? Okay, let's sing it again fast. Today is Monday, all day long.
All day long. Yesterday
Yesterday
was
was Sunday, tomorrow
Sunday.
will be Tuesday.
Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Chia, you shirt? Shirt?
Yes, my dear, what is it?
You shirt? Do you shirt? I love your teacher, yes, and teacher, yes, shirt. Help me.
Oh, okay. But this song now, you know the song now? You know the
Yes.
tune? You know how to sing this? Okay. So tomorrow we will sing this again, but a different day. Okay. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay. Let's again sing this again faster. Today is Monday.
All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Let's have fun. Let's have fun.
Great, my dear. Very good. Okay, let's go to our
Here,
slides. Okay.
you. Oh, teacher.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you talk with me. I want to see the room.
Oh,
The
the room. Oh, again, my room is messy. Okay, but I have a picture
Oh,
here. Let me show you the picture of my working station where teacher is working while she is teaching. Okay. Uh, let me share this to you. A picture, only a picture, my dear. Where is it? Picture. Okay,
what?
here. I'll share my screen. Do you see it?
No.
Oh, okay. I'll share again my screen. Here it is. Oh no, teacher is shy. Okay, do you see now my working station? I have my dolls here,
Oh,
my
it's beautiful.
computer. Okay, do you see Anna here? My doll, Anna. Okay, and then I have my chair and my laptop and then my ball pens.
Oh, it's very beautiful.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
It's many toy. I
Yes,
don't have many toy like many toy.
it's okay. Teacher will share her toys to you so that we will enjoy our lesson with toys. Okay? So let's uh, discuss this slide. Okay, can you see now the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so here, okay, Elsa will be the one to read number 1 and then you give the answer. And then you'll be the one to read number 2 and Elsa will give the answer. Okay?
Oh yes, I don't.
Okay, Elsa will read number 1. Well, here are some cheese and mango sandwiches. What's your
No,
answer?
I don't like mango, Elsa.
Oh, just okay, you can choose your answers here.
No, thanks.
Okay, very good. Now it's your turn. Number 2.
How about taking some lemonade too?
Good idea. Number 3. What about some of Grandpa's chocolate?
Mm, all right.
Okay. It's your turn now, number 4.
Would you like to buy a lion at the zoo?
No. No, thanks. I don't like lion. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, I very like lion.
Oh, do you like lions? Do you want to play with lions?
Yes, it's very cute.
Yes, but it might bite you. Rawr. How about elephant? Do you like elephant?
No, it's very ugly.
Oh, it has long nose and it is very big. I want to ride an elephant in my dream. Ha 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 ha.
I have many toys at the zoo. The lion, the elephant, the giraffe, many.
Yes,
Mommy
I
need and I uh
you you have animal toys? Where are you, my dear?
I'm here.
What is that? Let me see. Show it to
Yes,
teacher.
it's the horse.
Oh, yes, horse. A horse toy. What else? Tiger?
Yes,
Yes, orange. Is that orange tiger?
yes.
Okay.
Giraffe.
Wow, giraffe. Yes, I want to ride one too. What else do you have?
Pig and cow.
Oh, oink oink. Moo. Okay, wow, that's
Turtle.
turtle. Okay, very slow. Turtle is very
Here.
slow.
Elephant.
What is that?
Elephant.
Oh, elephant.
Cheetah.
Cheetah, yes. Rawr, very fast.
I think I have many giraffe and here.
How many animal toys do you have? All in all. Can you count them?
No, I don't count them. But that is in your younger brother.
Oh, does your little brother play with them too?
Yes, but that is little. In my room is have many animals.
Wow, very good.
That
Very
is
good. You got,
little.
yes. Okay.
Panda.
What is, oh, panda. Right,
Panda.
panda, white and black. Okay, the last question, my dear. Have you got your phone and map?
Mm,
What is your answer?
yes.
Don't.
Yes. Please.
Yes, you can also say yes, don't worry.
Yes. Don't
Okay,
worry.
very good. Now let's go to the next. And this one, the next one, you will compare the two pictures. Okay, in the first picture, let us spot the difference. What can you say about the clown's nose? From the picture number 1 and the picture number 2, what can you say
I
about?
know. Teacher just learned with me that. Okay.
Okay, let's
Picture
review then.
Picture one is the dog. Picture two is but picture two is parrot. Picture one the nose is red. But
Okay.
picture two is the nose is blue. In picture one,
Okay. How about the
in pic-
pet?
The pet is dog, but the parrot is but the pet is parrot. In picture 1, the boy is going with a dad, but
Okay.
in picture 2, the boy is going with mom. In picture
Oh,
1, in picture
okay.
1,
Oh, whoa. Let's go to the next here. You are right. In picture 1, the clown's nose is red, but here it's blue in the second one. How about the picture 1? The puppy is
I
singing.
want to read that because I know.
Oh, okay. You already discussed this with teacher Yesa? Okay, how about
1 minute. Wait 1 minute.
okay, how about the hat?
Hello.
Yes, my dear. Are you okay now?
Okay.
Okay.
Dear, what is um, yung question the hat? The hat in picture 1, the hat is in is on the the floor.
Okay.
But in picture 2, they are in the hair. Head.
On the head. Okay, on the head of the man. Very good.
In picture 1, the boy is have the t-shirt, the green t-shirt,
Yes.
and picture 2, the man is have yellow t-shirt.
Okay, very
Picture
good.
1,
How
in
about
picture
the clown scarf in his
in
neck?
picture 1, in picture 1, the clown have three three
The scarf.
people, but in picture 2, there are two. In picture
Okay.
1, is have sun, but in picture 2, there is not have sun. It's
Yes,
have
it's only cloud. In picture
cloud.
2, there is only cloud, right?
Yes.
Here
Teacher,
is
I want song.
okay. After this, we will sing another song. Okay, how about the clown scarf here? The one in his neck. What can you
Teacher,
say about it?
the scarf is very is short.
Yes.
But in picture two, there is very long.
Yes. Do you like to wear scarf?
No.
Have you tried to wear a scarf? No, not yet. Oh, I see. Teacher wears scarf if the weather is very cold. Okay.
But it is not half greeny.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, about the balls. Okay, you got it right.
There's a ball I talk.
Yes. You said there are 3 balls in the first picture and 2 balls in the second picture. Okay, let us.
Say thanks.
Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's try again. Elsa will ask the first question. Would you like a new computer?
Great!
Okay, now it's your turn.
I bought that.
Yes?
What is
What is it, my dear? Okay, number
I
2.
bought this camera for you.
Thank you. Number
Here,
3. Do you want me to dry your hair for you?
No, thanks.
Okay, number 4. Is there an insect flying around
Yes.
in your room? Oh. Okay, number 4. Let's buy that CD on the internet.
Okay.
Okay, it's your turn.
You must do your homework now.
All right. Can you help me wash the floor?
Oh dear.
Okay, it's your turn.
So I buy you a ticket for the film.
Yes, please. Number 8. Would you like some chips?
Yes, please.
Oh, number 9. Do you want me to show you that new music website?
Thank you.
Okay. And the last one, number 10, it's your turn.
How about buying that toy truck?
Oh no, don't worry. I don't like truck. Okay, very good, my dear. Now the last one. Let's go to the last slide. You will answer these questions. Do you think the people know the clown song? I think the clown sings the song, today is Monday, today is... What do you think is the title of the clown song?
Teacher,
Yes, my dear. What is it?
It's time to up, and I want to do homework my class.
Oh, not yet. We still have 5 minutes here in my clock. So let us answer this first.
Right?
Yes, I have still 5 minutes here.
No.
Okay.
In Vietnam is
Okay, let's
2020.
Oh,
2020 o'clock.
2020?
o'clock.
Oh, we still have 10 minutes? Okay, let's answer this quick. Do you think the people know the clown song? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like the clown scarf in his neck?
Yes. But it's time and I want to do homework in my class.
Oh, okay. Okay, you do your homework. And let's continue this next time or tomorrow. You get ready for the new unit lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, my
Goodbye.
dear. Bye-bye. Have a good night.